Hi investors, it's This Week in Forex, Cryptocurrency and Stocks with Investiva. I'm your coach Kiana, Danial, and I'll give you your 5-minute overview of these markets in just a moment. But before we get started, remember that investing in the financial markets involves risk of loss, and you should only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Make sure to calculate your risk tolerance before selecting the assets to invest in. Forex and cryptocurrency are especially high risk. If you watch this video until the end and you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like to get the secrets on how to make your money work for you and how to grow your wealth, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the Forex market. Last week was an up and down week for the US dollar, which was boosted by some risk aversion practices, by weakened by the success of other currencies. With an important retail sales report due this week, the US dollar may experience an above average amount of movement. Like its American counterpart, the Canadian dollar also experienced a mixed week. Disappointing jobs numbers have caused many loonie holders to anticipate a Bank of Canada rate cut. As the market pursued low-risk vehicles, the Japanese yen came out on top. The euro also experienced a few risk aversion gains, though its gains were not particularly impressive. Elsewhere, the Australian dollar was brought down due to trade tensions, while the Kiwi dropped out as a result of rate cuts. The British pound experienced yet another negative week, suggesting that market views of Brexit are yet to improve. Still, with multi-major reports, including CPI, jobs data, and retail numbers on the horizon, the pound may finally begin to turn around. Next is the cryptocurrency market. Following a major rally to open the month of August, Bitcoin's price finally began to stabilize last week. It has been very volatile for the world's largest cryptocurrency in this summer, causing traders everywhere to wonder whether this newfound stability will actually last. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around $11,300. The IRS issued a series of advisory warnings to 10,000 Bitcoin traders, suggesting that formal legislation is likely on its way. While additional guidelines and taxes may cause crypto trading to become more complicated, it also suggests that the industry is becoming more legit. There have been several other major industry developments as well. In New Zealand, legislators determined that employers are allowed to pay their employees in cryptocurrency. In China, the central bank is close to launching its own digital currency, a coin that, without a doubt, would have a major impact on how crypto is traded. On the charts, Bitcoin versus US dollar is being supported by the upper band of the daily Ichimoku cloud and the pivot level of $11,254. Other Ichimoku moving averages are mixed. This week, we'll see how developing currency wars will be reflected in different markets. Last but not least is the stock market news. Last week was pretty volatile for the stock market, but at the end, most indexes finished the week near where they opened. With multiple key issues such as Brexit and Federal Reserve and international trade wars stuck in limo, markets may be on the verge of making some major adjustments. On Monday, the Dow fell about 400 points. If the markets is to repeat last week's movement, we could see some rebound throughout the week. CBS and Viacom are on the verge of a major merger, continuing a summer-long trend of consolidation in the media industry. Elsewhere, GE, Cisco, and BlackRock are all expecting to have very volatile weeks. The end of August could be concerning for summer long-term investors. If the proposed 25% tariff is applied to goods coming from China, as it seems will likely happen, both profit margins and consumer spending power will fall as a result. We'll pay close attention as the developing trade war unfolds, but I don't recommend day trading any of these assets. Patience is a profitable virtue. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies for Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency in Investiva's Premium Investing Group, also known as the PIG, on Tuesday. If you like this video, like and subscribe so you won't miss out on my next update. Thank you so much for watching Investiva, and remember, make your money work for you.